Hey everyone, welcome back. Before we dive into today's topic, let me ask you something. In a world where gas prices seem to climb, cities feel more crowded than ever, new motorcycles can come with a hefty price tag, and traffic can be a real headache. Is it still possible for a humble 125cc scooter to actually become the top choice for American commuters by 2026? You might be surprised by the answer, because today, we're going to take a really close look at a machine that has been steadily building a reputation and earning the trust of riders all over the United States. We're talking about students, people who rely on their ride for their daily commute, those just starting out on two wheels, and even seasoned motorcycle enthusiasts who are looking for something different.
The pure joy of riding comes in a small, lightweight package that delivers exactly what you need every single day. And that is why the Buddy 125 is making headlines again. The Genuine Buddy has been around long enough to become an American icon. Even though it carries retro Italian charm in its styling, this scooter is firmly rooted in the streets, neighborhoods, campuses, and busy cities of the United States. Over the years, the Buddy has built a reputation for bulletproof reliability, low running costs, and ease of use, qualities that riders desperately need today. The 2026 model stays true to the heart of what made the Buddy famous, while adding refinement, smoother performance, and subtle upgrades that make it even more appealing for modern commuters. Under its small but confident frame sits a 124.9 cubic centimeters air-cooled engine, simple, proven, and now tuned with revised fuel mapping to make throttle response smoother and cold starts more consistent. It's not a powerhouse, and it doesn't need to be. With roughly 9 horsepower pushing a lightweight chassis, the Buddy accelerates quickly from 0 to 30 miles per hour, which is exactly the speed range city riders spend most of their time in. That's why the Buddy feels surprisingly energetic, even faster off the line than some heavier motorcycles. Paired with a CVT automatic transmission, there's no shifting, no clutch, no stress, just twist the throttle and go. And with a true top speed of around 55 to 60 miles per hour, the Buddy 125 comfortably handles urban streets, suburban roads, and even short highway bursts when needed. For a daily commuter, that's more than enough. But the real magic of the Buddy 125, and the reason it's returning to the spotlight in 2026, is fuel efficiency. While large motorcycles and cars struggle to cope with today's fuel costs, the Buddy delivers an unbelievable 90+ miles per gallon. Yes, over 90 miles on a single gallon of fuel. In many US cities, that means an entire week of commuting for just a few dollars. And that's why delivery riders, college students, and office commuters are turning back to lightweight scooters. In times when every dollar counts, the Buddy stands tall as one of the most economical and practical two-wheelers in America. Now let's talk about design. One look at the Buddy 125 and you instantly feel its charm. The rounded body lines, smooth curves, and classic retro appeal give it a warm, welcoming character. For 2026, Genuine refined the paint quality, upgraded the LED lighting system, refreshed the seat padding, and modernized the instrument cluster just enough to feel current, without losing the nostalgic simplicity that fans love. It's familiar yet improved. The overall build quality remains excellent, and Genuine's American fan base will tell you that Buddy scooters are known to last tens of thousands of miles with minimal maintenance. Riders proudly report their Buddy 125s hitting 20,000, 30,000, even 45,000 miles with nothing more than basic servicing. In a world full of disposable machines, that kind of longevity is rare. Riding comfort is another area where the Buddy excels. Its upright seating position makes long rides easier, the refreshed seat feels supportive, and the compact frame makes the scooter approachable for riders of all sizes. Whether you're 5 feet 1 inch or 6 feet 0 inches, the Buddy feels natural. The suspension has been softened and tuned for better performance on rough urban roads, reducing vibration and improving stability. Storage is practical as well. The underseat compartment can fit daily essentials or a small helmet, while the front cubby and optional rear rack add even more utility. For city riders, these small conveniences make a big difference. One of the biggest reasons for the Buddy's renewed popularity is its pricing. At a time when even 125 cubic centimeter scooters are becoming premium-priced luxury toys, the Buddy stays affordable and honest. It's one of the most budget-friendly, reliable, US-supported scooters available today. Insurance is cheap. Parts are easy to find. Maintenance is simple. And because Genuine has been a trusted scooter brand in the United States for years, support is strong across the country. Riders get real value for their money, and that's a major reason the Buddy 125 remains a top choice for urban mobility. So why do Americans love this scooter so much? The answer is simple: the Buddy 125 doesn't try to be something it's not. It's not trying to compete with sport bikes. It's not trying to replace maxi scooters or electric vehicles. It's just a reliable, fun, affordable machine built for everyday life. It's friendly. It's approachable. It's dependable. It doesn't overwhelm new riders, and it doesn't bore experienced ones. It fits perfectly into the modern American lifestyle: quick trips to work, runs to the store, weekend city rides, and everything in between. For 2026, Genuine made several meaningful improvements. The fuel injection system is smoother. Braking performance is more controlled. The LED lighting is brighter and safer. The USB charging port adds daily convenience. The instrument cluster is clearer. The frame feels more stable. The color choices are bold and tailored for American tastes. It's the same Buddy people know, but enhanced in all the right places. And then there's the riding experience. If you've never ridden a Buddy, imagine this: a lightweight scooter that feels effortless, joyful, almost playful. It's responsive in traffic, easy to maneuver, and surprisingly capable in tight spaces. It glides through crowded city streets with confidence. It explores suburban neighborhoods with charm. It handles daily rides with ease. It's not just functional, it's fun. Riding the Buddy feels like rediscovering the simple joy of being on two wheels. The Buddy 125 is perfect for nearly every rider. First-time riders who want something safe and simple. College students on a budget. Delivery riders who need reliability. Urban commuters who want to escape traffic. Older riders who want something lightweight and hassle-free. Motorcyclists who want a second machine that's easy to live with. Whether you're 18 or 65, the Buddy 125 fits easily into your life. So, is the 2026 Genuine Buddy 125 worth it? Absolutely, yes. It delivers everything that matters in a commuter scooter: reliability, fuel efficiency, approachable performance, low cost, a fun riding experience, and an iconic design that never goes out of style. In a market full of over-engineered machines, the Buddy proves that simplicity is still powerful. It's more than a scooter, it's a lifestyle upgrade. It saves money, reduces stress, and brings joy back to daily commuting. And that wraps up our deep dive review of the 2026 Genuine Buddy 125, a scooter built for modern America, inspired by classic design, and trusted by riders who want freedom without compromise. If you enjoyed this powerful breakdown, if you want more honest scooter and motorcycle reviews, and if you love content that gets straight to the point without hype or sugarcoating, then make sure you hit that like button, drop a comment with your favorite Buddy feature, and most importantly, subscribe to the channel right now. Your support helps us keep bringing real, unbiased, USA-focused reviews every single week. Thanks for watching, and as always, ride safe, ride smart, and enjoy the journey.
We'll be right back.